The reason I'm stopping you tonight, when you were over at Dole, at the four-way stop sign,
yep.
You stopped, your whole vehicle was in the crosswalk.
Right. I think you're right.
So, and then when you turned on the Lakeshore, you were actually straddling both the oncoming lane and this lane. Is everything all right tonight, or?
You know, I've lived here for so many years, I have bad habits.
Okay. Do you have your proof of insurance with you as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Oops, there goes right down front. Yeah, you know, I'm not gonna...
Okay.
I totally get it.
You heading home tonight, or?
Yeah, I live over there on the west end.
Where are you coming from?
Where am I coming from? Well, I've been to like a couple places. My girlfriend had a band on, let's see if this one is correct.
Okay. Give me a couple minutes, I'll be right back with you, okay? Any luck?
You know, that's really weird because I'm like, where the heck is it? It's so weird. I'm like so habit forming. I'm like, where is it? You know, like I put it in my photos and everything. I'm like, now I don't even see it because I never do anything.
Fair enough. Here, do you mind? I don't want you to drop any of this stuff in there. I just want to talk to you outside the car real quick.
Why do you want to do that?
Just with all of your driving and stuff and some of the things I'm seeing, I just want to make sure you're okay. I just want to talk to you outside of the car.
I'm actually fine.
Well, yeah, like I said,
I don't see anything that I've done. I mean, I kind of admit I'm local, and I usually I did stop at the Dole.
So the reason I'm asking
at the Dole thing.
So when you stopped over at Dole in Woodstock, you were
Woodstock?
all in it, or was it? Oh, yeah, it's Dole and Woodstock. You were all the way in the intersection. Okay.
Well, I'm always, I ride a motorcycle.
Fair enough, but then when you're coming up and you're driving in two lanes, and then when I'm hitting the lights, when you turned onto this street, you were straddling both lanes.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. I was right behind you.
I don't think so.
So, like I said, I just want to talk to you outside. It's not the end of the world.
No,
but
it's okay. I'm fine.
No. I'm giving you an order so that we can have a cordial conversation.
An order?
Yes, I'm giving you a lawful order that you need to step out of the car.
About.
What I'm saying is, when you're on a traffic stop, I have the right to ask you to step out of the car to talk to you.
I haven't been on a traffic stop at
Correct.
I don't even know
what I'm
how long.
explaining to you is, yes, it's Pennsylvania versus Mims is a Supreme Court case law that says on any traffic stop, I have the right as a police officer, as long as I have you lawfully detained, which I do on 2 moving violations, to ask you to step out of the car to talk to you.
What are the moving violations?
Improper lane usage and improper turn.
Do you have it on a GoPro?
It's on a dash cam.
Can I see
and
it?
on my body cam.
Do you mind if I see it?
No, because my body and dash cam are still doing it. So you need to exit the vehicle right now, okay?
I'm not exiting the vehicle unless you show me what I did wrong.
Okay, so you need to exit the vehicle, otherwise you're going to be obstructing and I can place you under arrest.
Would you please mind showing me what I did wrong first? Because I'd like to see.
I cannot stop recording right now.
What are you talking about?
My dash cam, my body cam are recording. In order to be able to show it to you, I would have to turn that off.
Well, I'd like to see what I did wrong because I don't really think I did anything wrong.
Yes, but so this is where we're at right now is you need to exit the vehicle and talk to me.
I'm not exiting the vehicle.
Okay. If you don't exit the vehicle, I'm going to open your vehicle, take you out, and place you under arrest.
I don't think you can do that.
I can legally do that. You'd be
obstructing.
What reason? Because I've given you a lawful. Because I'm telling you, because I'm seeing things that could be indicative of impairment.
Well, I'd like to see what you're talking about because I don't see any reason.
I literally
stopped at the stop sign.
So come talk to me outside of the car, and I can explain it to you. Okay?
No, I don't like this. Now you know I'm hugely back the blue. We ride in all these like charity events for you guys, and I'm like, I don't understand because number one, I've been living here for 40 years. It's just I told you it's like a bad habit that I just like drive because I know where I'm going.
Okay. So why are you so apprehensive about just having a conversation with me outside of your vehicle?
I'm not apprehensive about it. I just think I know my rights.
No, it's actually not your right. You have the right to remain silent. You have many rights, but the right to sit in your car after I've lawfully told you have to get out.
Well, you're telling me something, but you're not willing to show me the evidence.
How can I show you the evidence if you're still sitting in the car?
How about you show me the evidence first,
and
then I'd be willing to get out of my car.
That's not going to happen. So you need to exit the car, otherwise we're going to take you out.
How about we call your sergeant?
Okay.
All right.
371 from 301. My driver's asking for you.
No.
Okay.
No. I'm saying
really
that's
safe driver.
I'm saying that's what my dad.
No, on stop signs, I don't put my feet down, which I admit. On my Harley. I'm just used to that. And so when I'm in my little car, I kind of do the same thing. I totally admit that.
Right, and
But I didn't even roll through the stop sign. I stopped at the stop sign. I don't know what he's talking about. Like,
so lane.
All right. I don't know what he's talking about. So I want to see what he's talking about.
I can explain to you. So when we're at Woodstock and Dole,
I want to see the evidence because I don't know what you're talking about.
That's my sergeant's coming down. I'm going to tell you. So my sergeant's coming down. I'm going to tell you right now. We're not going to stop my body cam or my dash cam to show you the evidence. Okay. I saw it with my own eyes. That's why I waited for you to go, because you were sitting in the middle of the intersection.
I don't know what you're talking about. The middle of the intersection.
So
I'm at a stoplight.
all right. So stop sign.
I'm at a
right?
stoplight.
Stop
no,
sign.
I'm at a stoplight at Dole. You
That's
didn't
a stop
turn your
sign.
lights on until after I was after Dole, and I'm like, what? I don't know what's happening.
Yes. So there was a stop sign.
Well, if you didn't like the stop sign, why didn't you pull me over after the stop sign?
Because I still had to run your plate. I like to know who I'm stopping before I turn my lights on.
What's going on?
Ma'am, so, like you said, you didn't have anything to drink. He's just covering our baselines with that.
Look,
So
I've been
if
in
you had
Crystal
something
Lake
to
for
drink,
40 years. I love you guys.
Right.
I've been backing you guys forever. I know so many people in the police department. What is the deal? I've never heard of something like this where I'm
like you said,
when was the last?
stopping at the stop sign.
Because of the driving infractions, they're just consistent
There
with somebody
are no
that's...
driving infractions. So
Yes, there was.
understand what you're saying.
Additionally, you're fumbling with all of your documents. You're slurring your speech.
No, I can't find my. I'm like, where the heck is? I usually put my insurance card like. Okay, this is what happened.
Let me ask you this: Would
It's
you
kinda funny,
would
but
you
no.
even just submit to a breathalyzer test?
No, I will
No.
not do anything because I don't know why you're even
Let's
stopping
not
me. You're not even
just
telling me.
Stop. Okay, my sergeant. So I'm trying to tell you, but you're not listening.
Seriously.
So when I pulled you over for that one, and then I
For
followed
what
you.
one? You're not even
The
saying
stop
one.
sign that we've
The one
been
at
talking
Dole?
to. The one at Dole
But
Woodstock.
you didn't even pull me over after that. you
So
pulled
that's
me over
when I hit
after I
my
went through
dash
the-
cam, and then we kept going, and then as we were coming down,
No,
right?
you didn't even pull me over until after the stop light.
at Dole and 14, correct? Because I was still running your plate. I was still following you. And then when it was a safe location to make a stop, that's why I stopped you here.
You weren't even following me. You came on a turn after that. At the stop sign, you're flashing your lights at me to turn.
So keep going, yes.
No,
because I was getting
I'm
behind
waiting
you.
for you. I'm at the stop sign, and I'm like, why are you not turning?
Because you stopped in the... So the stop line on the stop sign, right? You were all the way in the intersection.
It's called entrapment, if that's what you're talking about. If that's what he's talking about. Because I'm sitting at the stop sign waiting for the car to turn. Then he starts following me. There's a light. I
Karen,
don't blow a stop
Karen,
sign.
here's the thing. Look, my name's Dave, okay?
What?
My name's Dave. You can call me Dave.
Oh.
All right? That's fine.
Awesome.
But here's the thing. You're on a traffic stop. That part. You're on a traffic stop right now. Officer Howell is the one in charge of the traffic stop. He's giving you a lawful order, which we are allowed to do, for you to exit the vehicle so we can continue his investigation. If you refuse to do that, you will be arrested for obstructing an officer.
I'm not obstructing an officer by not exiting my vehicle.
Yes, you are. He has given you a lawful order to exit the vehicle.
I know my rights. I do not have to exit the vehicle. Because I know for a fact
Karen?
that I've done nothing wrong.
Take your seatbelt on.
Karen, please
All right.
cooperate.
So
Do that for me, please.
Why do you want me to
Okay.
exit the vehicle?
So he can continue his investigation.
What investigation? I've not even done anything wrong. What are you doing?
Karen?
Oh man, you do have a
step out
body
of the car.
cam on, right?
Yes, I
We
do.
all do.
You know
so
you
I'm going to
can't
give
do
you,
that,
Karen,
right?
is there anything I can do or say to make you exit this vehicle before you get arrested and I have to put hands on you?
I'm thinking.
Okay. Take a moment. So what's going to happen right now is either you're going to get out of the car and we're going to continue our conversation in back, or I'm going to put hands on you, take you out of this car, tow your car after you get arrested and taken to Crystal Lake.
But you need to come up with a reason why you'd be doing this to me.
Because you're fumbling with items, you are slurring your speech.
I'm not slurring my speech. This is how
I've never met you before, but that's what it appears to me.
Oh my god, you're cracking me up.
So I want to make sure that you're not impaired. I want to do a couple of things to make sure you're not
wanna
impaired.
know
But
why.
Karen, this is the last opportunity I'm going to give you before I arrest you for obstructing. Do you understand?
That's fine.
So just step out of the car. Let's make this easy. And,
I'm not stepping out of the car.
Okay, then you're under arrest.
For what? Well, can I have my... Wait, hold
Nope.
on one second. Wait,
Come out of the car.
All right. Well, give me
Nope.
1 second.
You are under arrest.
Time to get out of the car.
Well, can I get my purse and my phone?
Nope, we'll get it for you.
For you,
You're
okay.
under arrest.
Just get my
Karen?
phone to my purse.
Okay, Karen.
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Oh, this is fun. You guys crack me up.
All you gotta do is get out of the car. That's it.
Well,
We're gonna go
there
to the
was no
passenger
reason
side.
to do it.
The reason was so you don't get arrested and so we could have a civil conversation.
Okay. Well.